Hello, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So today we're gonna cook honey chicken breast in the air fryer oven. Honey chicken breast in the air fryer oven. Now this is absolutely my favorite, to taste the honey and the sweetness along with the stickiness and the juiciness of the chicken. Oh, please. So good, so good. Okay, so let me adjust the camera and let's get started. Thank you. Okay, so I have two very thick chicken breasts. One, as you can see, is bigger than the other. That's just the way it came. I didn't cut the chicken up, okay? All right, so I'm going to cut each piece in half, okay? So these two would be for kids maybe, and these two for adults, okay? All you need is 4 ounces of any meat, Okay, so let me take my knife and we're going to cut it in half. If I can shut my door. There we go. It gets stuck sometimes. Okay, that's one. And two. Okay, so let me let you see that. So you can see I have it in 4 pieces, okay? Now if I would have left it just as 2 pieces, it would have only fed 2 people. By cutting it in half and each person have 4 ounces, you can see that you can feed 4 people, right? You gotta cut your costs down. Okay, so let me wash my hands, put some seasonings on it. Alright, I want some ground garlic, adobo, and some black pepper. Okay, now I've already put oil on my rack on both sides as well as the drip tray in the oven, okay? The side you season, just turn it down so that now you can season the side that have not been seasoned. Okay, same process. Okay, so we have all our seasonings on, and we are going to cook it in this 9-inch cake pan. And the reason why we're going to cook it in a 9-inch cake pan, by the way, I've already oiled it with olive oil, is you're going to put the honey on it, and you don't want the honey dripping down on the drip tray because it is going to definitely harden and it's going to be very hard to get off. You can get it off, but extremely hard to get it off. Okay, so we don't want to go through that. So I'm just going to put it in this pan. Okay, and as you see, we have all 4 pieces in. We're going to put our rack in. And then we're going to put our chicken in. Right in the pan. Okay, something's going on. Let's see. Okay, let's set it. Okay, we want to do 370 is okay because it's chicken breast. We don't want it to dry out. It's set on 15 minutes. Let's go with that. And we'll see what's happening in a little while. Okay, I'll check it with you. Okay, thank you. We'll be back. Okay, so we have 4 minutes left on our 15 minutes that we started with. Oh, let me just wipe the counter. 1 second. Okay, so let's check it out. So let me let you see. Okay. Okay. So what I want to do is put a drop of olive oil on each one. A couple of drops. Okay. And now we want to turn it over. And so we have 4 minutes left. I want to add another 6 minutes. That will take us to 21 minutes total for cooking so far. Okay? So I'm going to add another 6 minutes. Okay. So we'll be back when that is done. Okay? We're waiting 10 minutes. Thank you. Okay, so our total of 21 minutes just stopped on our chicken breast that we're going to turn into honey chicken. And let you get a view. Okay. Okay, so now what we're going to do is let's take a temperature. See what's going on. Now you notice they had 2 small pieces and 2 larger pieces. So the small piece would get done quicker than the larger piece. Okay, so we got to keep that in mind. Usually. Okay, we're at 165 on the small piece. Let's check out the larger size. We put it right into the middle. Okay, even the large one is at 165. Let me check this last large one. We might be good all the way around. Okay, we are. Alright, so now what we want to do is, this is our raw honey. Okay, I buy 100% pure raw honey because they didn't do anything to it. They didn't pasteurize it, or they didn't do anything but just take it out the tree. So I like that. Okay. At least I know I'm getting the real deal. So I'm going to put the honey on this side. And then I'm going to turn it over. And I'm going to do the other side. Okay. So I have, let me show you that. You see I have the honey on this side, right? Okay, we're going to turn it over. The chicken is done now. We just are going to glaze it with the honey now. Okay, and let me let you see that. You see? Now we're gonna put the chicken back in the air fryer for only 5 minutes, just to glaze the honey onto the chicken. Okay? Take this down to 5 minutes. Actually, 3 minutes is good enough. 3 minutes. So that gives us a total of 24 minutes that the chicken breasts have cooked. How about that, huh? And we'll be back in 3. Thank you. Okay, we have 1 minute left. So while we're waiting, I would like to give you the word of the day. Okay? Beauty is only skin deep. Okay? So if you think that your beauty is gonna make you succeed, if it's gonna take you to the top, if it's gonna open doors for you, it might, but how long will that last? Because if the beauty that's on the outside don't match up to the beauty on the inside, you have a problem. So if you're beautiful on the outside and you have a nasty attitude and disposition towards people, and you don't treat people right, that beauty is not going to take you far. Okay? It may open the door, but it also may shut that door. So remember, be beautiful on the outside and inside, because that's what people want you to bring. They want to bring all beauty that's within you. They want to see how you operate with beauty or no beauty, because you know what? They're going to love you if you treat them right. Okay? Alright, let's check on our honey chicken breast, okay, in the air fryer. Let's do it. 1 second. Let me adjust the camera down. Wonderful. You see that? Let me plate that up. Oh, it smells so good too. Okay, I want to show you this. This is the honey that's drippings that's left down in the pan. Don't throw that away. You can pour that into like a little saucer. Let me show you. Like this. Okay, and then you can cut your chicken and dip it into the honey and act like it's a sauce. Okay? Okay. Let me get in the picture and take a picture of the honey chicken. Here we go. How about that? Honey chicken. Nice, right? Okay. Let me take a taste. Okay, so I'm going to take the chicken, now I'm going to dip it in the honey sauce. Okay, so see, I'm going to dip it in the honey sauce and eat it like that, okay? Mmm. Wow. Really, really tender and juicy. Okay? How about that? Only 23 minutes? Come on, that's great. Honey has a lot of health benefits. It helps your immune system. So anything that helps your immune system, you know, it fights off colds and that sort of thing, okay? Okay, so please share the video. Hit the like button if you like it. And subscribe if this is your first time on this channel. I appreciate it. I'm trying to get my subscriber numbers up, so I appreciate it if you hit the like button and tell someone to like it and share, okay? Because I know you can do it for me. Thank you, because you've done it for me so far, and I really, really appreciate you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.